What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's been a long time, but you know what? I finally found one. I know they've been online for a long time, and I know what you guys are thinking. Yeah, it's been out for a long time, blah, blah, blah. It's nothing fancy. It's not an octane. It's not brushless. It's a job site blower, a hand blower, 18 volt. Throw the batteries in it, and boom, you're good to go. So let's open this bad boy up real quick. Let's see what we have. All right, before we open it, because I get this question on other tools, model number R860430-1B as in boy. Bring that up there. All right, you got the model number there? Okay. And again, lifetime warranty, kid, right there, boom, lifetime. You got to register it. Register these tools within, I think it's 90 days. If you wait longer and you have a problem, go complain to somebody else, okay? So let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what we have inside. All right, hopefully you can see what's going on out there. We got the instructions. Okay, you need instructions for a blower. I don't know. We got the little tube here in plastic. Okay. We'll see what that is used for in a minute. Pretty cool. 18 volt it says right there. More cardboard, more plastic. Get right out. Tell you what, it's pretty cool looking. Not bad. Look at that thing. The hell is that? Look at this. Like a rocket or something. Alright, so getting back to it. I don't think you need the instructions, but you got a little tab right here. You got the little hole right there. So I would think you're going to put it together. And there you go. It locks into place. Okay. It's got the 18 volt here. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's got a nice, this is a nice grip, nice handle. Button's pretty solid. It's a thick button. Okay. On this side, again, the 18 volt job site blower, Ridgid. All right, it's nice. It's engraved. It's not a sticker. It's like in the plastic, which is nice. The handle's nice. If you've ever, this here feels like almost like a rubber all the way around. And this is rubber, this part, and then this is like a plastic. It's like a rubber too. This is rubber. It's got the grippy on there. It's got them grips on there. What you're going to do is you're going to take, obviously it's not an octane, so you can use both batteries. I'll just grab a regular, I got a regular battery here. Okay. We're going to slide this in. All right, we're going to obviously, most likely pull the trigger. I'll tell you what, look, it's got some kickback. I mean, I am shooting it against the wall. Let me give it a quick shot. Let me move this over here. We'll blow some of the box and like the shit that came with it. Let's see how powerful, see if it blows any of the crap around. Oh yeah, not bad. Hold on a minute. Get this up out of here. I got a little sawdust on the floor. Let's see what happens here. Oh yeah, this is nice. I'll tell you what, not bad. Let me open up the door here. I'll tell you, the main reason I bought this, okay, I bought it to blow out the trailer when there's a lot of sawdust and crap on the floor. You know, from bringing the tools in and out. And if you got your saw or anything set up in someone's driveway, this is going to be perfect just to blow and clean off the driveways, you know. I've always had to use the broom, or I had a backpack blower. It was just a mess. But I got to tell you, I don't know, I can't believe I waited this long to grab it. Not a bad blower. Let's see if we can blow the instructions across. There you go, look at that. We don't need any instructions, cuz. Come on, handyman. We don't need that for a blower, cuz. Alright, so anyways, what you want to do is any purchasing you do from Ridgid, obviously any tool, you get online and you register this thing as soon as possible. I like to do it pretty much the same day or the next day because I'll forget. Got a nice little space here. I don't know what that's for. Maybe to hang it up. Maybe to hang it up on something, a hook. This little hole here on a hook. But we're going to find a spot for it. But for now, we're going to leave it right here on the table. Again, the Ridgid job site hand blower. Not bad. You want to get some measurements on this real quick? We'll see what the measurements are, and then we'll call it a day. All right, let me just adjust it. And pull out, what do we got here, kid? We got the Milwaukee auto lock. If you don't know what that means, all right, you pull out the tape, and it locks by itself. Look at that, magic. Pull it out, it locks. Bring it back in, you push the button. All right, so let's measure this thing from front to back here. You're looking at about 23 inches long. Okay, that's not too bad. A little under 2 feet. And from the bottom to the top of the handle is about 13 inches. Okay. Bring this up, it's about 13. Okay. The handle itself is about 9 inches. And then the back here, you're looking at about probably 6 inches total, you know, from one side to the other. I'll tell you what, it's not a super big blower, and the tube, the end part isn't long at all. I mean, that end is only 11 inches, and then the rest is the actual blower itself. It's not a bad blower. Definitely worth it. I paid, I think it was $99. Or maybe $79. I'm not 100% sure, but if you go online, you'll see it. Take this battery out. Let me throw this battery up here. Put it back up in the charger real quick. Let me see where we can put this thing. It's one thing about this trailer. It's getting jammed up. You know, for now, we're going to mount this bad boy back here. You know what I'm going to do? Right there kind of wedges itself in between. There, perfect. Because you got these little, see that little leg there? Those two little legs? My spacing between the wall and this workbench it's just right. Look at that. It's just right. So right there is perfect. Bam. Look at that. All right, so we're going to get rid of that box. And that's pretty much it. So that's it. Quick unboxing and review of the Ridgid job site blower. If you're interested in this channel, anything in the future, hit the subscribe button, kid. Bam. And if you want, do the share, the like, do the whole 9 yards, all right? And we'll catch you on the next one. It's getting a little cold. We got some sawdust in there we got to clean up. And we'll catch you on the next one. Hey, Sonny! Yo, Sonny! Where the hell is he? Sonny? Hey, one more thing before I get Sonny on here. I just wanted to do a quick thank you to my man out there. You know who you are, cuz. Southwire. This is an electrical tool pouch, okay? I won this the other night. It was one of those giveaways. Searching for signal. So if you guys are into the handyman videos again, because you're watching me, High Ridge, go check out my man Searching for Signal. The dude knows his stuff, and he's got one sick trailer. Because you think I got a nice trailer? Yeah, it's all right. But you got to check out this guy's trailer. Again, I want to thank you, cuz. I got it. We're going to put this up here for now. Let's get it up here in the trailer. All right. Even threw in a roll of tape. See the tape there, cuz? I appreciate it. Let's see what that bad boy looks like up there. There you go, cuz. That's it. Searching for Signal. Check him out. He's real good. And definitely subscribe to that guy. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Let me go find that Sonny. Yo, Sonny! Sonny? Yo, Sonny. Sonny! Sonny. What you doing, kid? Catch you on the next one, right?